Hari Om friends, this is Chandra here again from KACC Kalamandiram Arts and Crafts classes. Yes, in the last class we learned to make a leaping frog. So what's new today? We are going to make a decorative LAC vase like this. Before that, let's get to know what is LAC. LAC. LAC is a red colored waxy substance, a byproduct of some insects. It is used to seal envelopes, parcels, etc., mixed with varnishes or at times dyes also, and also to seal the doors of a suspect's home. Oof. You might have heard about Lakshagriha in Mahabharata, built by Kauravas to kill Pandavas. That is scary. But ornaments like these, like my bangles, are also made with lac. Aren't they beautiful? Now the concept of lac is clear. So let's make a decorative lac vase today. Let's give a new vase a lac look. Friends, we have a vase of 6 inches height, or you can say depth, 7 inches width around waist. Its mouth is of about 4 inches. It's a small one. We have some spalls. I have about 500 grams of these. These are fragments of stones that are used in masonry. You should also have a big heavy pounder of stone or iron. Please don't use your mixer or grinder. You will repent later. These are pounded to get these fragments. Some effort is required. Or any tub, newspapers, rag pieces like these, tissues, then small containers also to pour spalls like this, a sieve, you may use your old one, no problem, Fevicol glue. This time the project is of a large scale, so more quantity of everything is required. Cardboard pieces to apply Fevicol glue. Heart-shaped origami papers. You may choose any shape and any color paper. Clover, diamond, floral, any. This whole project will start by fixing these two heart pieces on opposite sides on the flat surface of this vase. Friends, first paste these heart-shaped papers on the opposite sides with Fevicol. Now start applying Fevicol with card papers like this. Pour Fevicol first on a flat surface like this paper plate or any paper bowl. Now apply Fevicol bit by bit. Then allow spalls to get poured on it. Pour them bit by bit like this. Let them fall, no problem. They can be reused again. Shake a bit. No need to press it. Let them fall. It's okay. Again, from this paper plate, I am taking Fevicol again, applying it like this. Again allow. Again drop spalls. Like this. No need to press it. You may overlap pouring on it in case you detect any gap anywhere. Or even stone powder can fill it, no harm. So like this. Fill the entire pot. Let it stay for about 1 hour minimum. Totally dry. Then we'll go to the next step of coloring. Those are well stuck, you can see. They are very well. This vase is very well texturized now with spalls. It is time to start our color work. Let us take coral red and mix it with Indian red. I have used a flat, rough painter's brush for large portions. 2-3 coatings will be required, and for narrow portions we can always use a small brush of 8 number or 10 number. The spalls are not falling now. They are well stuck. It's a good thing. We have to continue painting part by part. Let us finish this entire part. Then go to another part. Let it remain for minimum 24 hours. Friends, you can see that the colors have dried up. They don't stick to the fingers anymore. I have used a mixture of 2 reds, Indian red and also coral red throughout. Then painted motifs on the mouth with acrylic color, white acrylic color motifs you can see. Then also on these hearts, heart shaped papers we had stuck before, if you remember. Then I had removed the papers, then painted them directly in white. After that painted with these motifs of WARLI art with Indian red color. After that I pasted small mirrors on these like this, WARLI art. WARLI art is a traditional art form practiced by the WARLI tribe, a group in Maharashtra. At Mumbai, you can find a station itself named after this folk art called WARLI. Simple basic shapes like triangles are used to create beautiful designs, and human figures are also made based on these geometrical shapes. And they are colored with white colors on Indian red, Prussian blue and such vibrant colors as background. Gugurus produce musical sounds like late Srimati Bal Saraswati of Bharatnatyam or Mohiniyattam dancer Srimati Kanakrele. So that's all for now. Meet you soon with a new topic in the next video. Please give a like below this video and subscribe to our channel KACC Creator. Shubhadinam.